afternoon, boys and girls. So today we're going to be talking about our personal narrative, part 3. So, just to review what we've done so far, remember we went ahead and we always want to analyze our prompt, and our prompt for this was, tell it of a time that you and a friend had fun together. And then we went ahead and we made a circle map because we're going to brainstorm a bunch of ideas. And I came up that I would be having fun at the beach with my friend, and I came up with all of these ideas. Then I decided that I was going to write about 2 of them. And these are the 2 ideas that I am going to talk about in my personal narrative. This is an example of a organizational plan, and this is what we are going to be creating to do our writing. So, this has 3 because this is just a generic plan, but for our writing this time, we're only choosing 2 ideas. So I went ahead and I chose, we're going to walk around and collect seashells, and remember we talked about the seagulls stole my chips. So now that I have my reasons, I'm going to go ahead and write my opening. Now we wrote a bunch of openings earlier, or hopefully you did the opening mini lessons, and you're going to go ahead and pick whatever your favorite opening was. And remember we talked about the openings were character thoughts, the setting, sound effects, a statement, a question, or character description. I think I'm going to go ahead and go with character thoughts for this one, just because I kind of think it'll be really interesting to talk about my thoughts as I was getting to the beach. So we're going to go ahead and write our opening here. I am going to not box it yet because I want to make sure I can fit it at the top of my paper. So I'm going to write, as I walked onto the hot sandy beach, my feet were burning. I thought to myself that I can't wait to feel the cold ocean water on my body. Today is going to be the best day ever. Okay, so that's the opening that I've chosen to write for my personal narrative, and I chose to write character thoughts. Now you go ahead and pick whatever your favorite opening is, and you add that to your organizational plan.